So Hartek is a engineering procurement construction company. We have been into the power and renewable infrastructure since over 3 decades now. We're among the top 10 EPC companies in India. Currently, we operate in three business units. One is power systems, where we are building the grid infrastructure of the country up to 765 kV. We're among the top 5, top 6 T&D companies in India. Then is renewables. Renewables, we partner with large-scale developers, utilities, PSU to build large-scale solar power plants. And under renewables, we have another segment known as the C&I segment, where we install rooftop for the C&I industry, being one of the largest emitter of carbon. So we partner with a lot of industries for the decarbonisation and install rooftop. And we're, I think, among the top 5 rooftop solar companies in India. And under renewables, we also, are sort of venturing into green hydrogen and building that infrastructure. So that is the renewables business. The third business is power distribution products, where we essentially manufacture electrical panels, electrical 11 kV, 33 kV panels, which are used in all kinds of power distribution solutions. So that is a very overview about what we do at Hartek. So just to add that, I think, as I explained about 765 solar EPC, I feel that Hartek is among the very few companies in India that is building a 765 kV, 400 kV grid, doing solar EPC, large scale rooftop, right through the value chain. As you asked regarding the capacity, today only we've announced on 25th of September that we've crossed 10 gigawatt of solar capacity in India, which is a substantial market share in India. I think going forward, we've released with Economic Times only that till 2030 we aim to become a 10,000 crore company, and I feel that we are on the path to sort of achieve our goals by 2030. I would just also add that with these goals, it is also important that we are contributing towards nation building and building the grid infrastructure and the renewable infrastructure for the country. So they're very exciting times, and I feel that this is truly the best time to be in India to go for the next leap in the energy sector. So Arushi, very early stage in green hydrogen right now. But I think what the kind of sweet spot that we see is in large mobility. When I say large mobility, is buses and trucks and things like that, because for them, the battery EV buses would be a challenge, battery density. So I think we will target building the hydrogen refueling stations is an area that we are targeting. We had bid for a couple of projects also in the past. So I feel that more that you will hear in the times to come what we're doing in green hydrogen would be focusing more on building the hydrogen refueling stations. No, absolutely. So I think as an engineering construction company, one of the biggest challenges that we have, or when we talk about resources, is the people, right? As a services company, you're run by people, and I feel that for us as a engineering infra company, we are actually technology agnostic, right? What I mean by that is that whichever is the best technology out there, we would try to integrate that into our operations and give the solution. I'll give you an example. Like when we talk about solar panels, right? If you see the last 15 years, we had those 300 watt peak polycrystalline solar panels. Today we have bifacial, 600 watt peak plus. So I think for us as an infra company, it is very important for us to be aware on the best technologies out there, all the manufacturers doing, and then integrate within our engineering team and add value to the customers. So I think that is our focus, and I feel that in times to come we'll continue to add value to our customers across all our businesses.